Welcome guys to the Black Chinese world where we learn basic Chinese. In our lesson today, we learn how to say this is and that is. 这是 means this is. Now let's try to make a sentence. 这是我 这是我 means this is me. 这是我 One more. 这是手机这是手机手机 means a phone, a cell phone. Good. 这是手机 Great. 那是 means that is. Now let's also try to make a sentence. 那是我那是我 meaning that is me. 那是我 Another one. 那是电脑那是电脑电脑 means a computer. Good. 那是电脑 Very good. Let's review one more time. 这是我这是手机那是我那是电脑 Good. I hope you can practice at home and thank you for your attention and see you in our next lesson.